Kids, so this video is if you are absent or just need a recap on today's lesson. You are going to get a self-paced link for Pear Deck. All right, so since you weren't here, you'll be doing this on your own and filling it out. Just to note, today's is being graded on 2 learning goals. So we have your graphing learning goal and your reasoning learning goal. Remember, 3 is passing. So how to get a 3 on this learning goal is to be able to get to IXL and score 65. And then for our reasoning learning goal, it's student explains the error using some vocabulary. All right, so what you're going to do is you are going to fill out these slides just like we did in Monday and Tuesday's class. All right, so we can do this one together since it says we do. All right, so the we do, we have our y-intercept, which we remember is the number by itself, and the slope, which is the number in front of the x. Remember, we don't include the x, it's just the number. So then we take that number and we make our slope direction. So this number automatically goes in the top. If it's a whole number, we put a 1 on the bottom. This is down because that top number is negative. If it's negative, if it's down, positive means up. The bottom number is always going to be to the right, which you'll see is already filled out here. So then what you're going to do is you are going to take that pen and you are going to draw in your line. So down 3, 1, 2, 3, right 1. I'm going to put a new dot. And then if I needed to go the other way, I would just do the opposite, up 3 and left 1. So then we have our line, and oh gosh, that's horrible. I don't know how to fix it on this, so there we go. Okay, ignore that other part. Oopsie. Oh, here we go. Here's the eraser. All right, so there we have it. That is our line. All right, so then you're going to do, oh no, we're going to do one more example together. Sorry. All right, so what is our y-intercept? The number that's by itself, so that's -3. And our slope is that x, the number in front of the x, so it's 3/4, or 3/4. All right, so that means for our direction, I'm going to put that 3 up top and that 4 at the bottom. And that means I'm going up 3 and right 4. So when I put this on the graph, I'm going up 3, 1, 2, 3, and right 4. And I can't fit any more points, so that is going to be it for this graph. All right. So now what you are going to do is you are going to try the questions on B, C, D, and E. And then you're going to go ahead and answer this error analysis on slide 7. When you are done with this, all right, you will have gotten an email on IXL. All right, this is your username and your password. Okay, you are going to open it. Then you are going to go to this activity. It's going to be called 1.6 on Google Classroom, IXL activity. You're going to type in your username and your password. And then you are going to go ahead and complete this. Make sure it says S.7, so you're doing the right thing. And you're going to complete it till you get at least a 65. Remember, for our rubric, if you want a 65 or more, that's a 3. If you reach an 85 or higher, that gets you the 4. All right, and the last thing is if you have questions on this, there is an office hour on this on Thursday. Friday's office hours are going to be an activity that we did a few weeks ago to level up some folks. All right, so again, what is your goal for this lesson? Your goal is to complete these slides on Pear Deck, and then you are finishing the Desmos the IXL until you get to a 65 SMART score. All right, if you have any questions, let us know. Reach out. We're here to help.